Hi guys, so today we are going out for shopping. We in the sense me and my little partner. So we are gonna have mother-daughter's time. हम जा रहे हैं shopping करने and I have some agendas like what to buy and मैं बहुत excited हूँ उसके लिए and I am going to post like मैं क्या करने गई थी और किस लिए जा रही हूँ. I'll show you guys soon. But till then, we are gonna have fun, right, Shaina? Yeah. Shaina, right? Yeah. So हम आपको मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद. Bye. क्या लिया शाइना ने? अच्छा ये लिया. मम्मा क्या ले? हाँ? हाँ. Okay, don't touch Shaina. No. मम्मा ले लेंगे अपना. अब इधर आओ. अब मम्मा के साथ इधर आओ. अभी यहाँ से देखते हैं. Guys, somebody is doing serious shopping. What happened? क्या देख रही है? Oh, it's okay. Leave it. What do you want? What do you want? No? Okay, yeah, leave it. Leave it. Come, let's go. Let's go. No. Keep it. Let's go, Shaina. चलो आओ चले अभी लेगी नहीं यहाँ से. शाइना क्या लेना है आपको? क्या लेना है शाइना? Leave it, Shaina. You just leave it. Let's go. Guys, so we are going. I'm so excited. We are going for Shaina's first haircut. So where is Shaina? She is there. Are you excited, Shaina? Shaina को कौन सा haircut चाहिए? Diddi wala? Yeah. Okay, we'll tell uncle to do Diddi wala haircut for Shaina, okay? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah, we are so excited. Right, Abhinav?
Yo.
Yeah, अभी red light है, so अभी ना बात नहीं कर सकते. But yeah, let's see कि वो कैसा react करती है. I hope she reacts fine and she doesn't cry. But yeah, we'll see and we'll keep you posted. So bye. Okay guys, तो हमारे यहाँ पोपट हो गया. हम लोग बड़े एक्साइटेड हो गए थे खुशी होके, पर वहाँ जाके शाइना ने रोना शुरू कर दिया बिकॉज शी वाज सो स्कैर्ड बिकॉज सब लोगों ने मास्क पहने हुए तो शी थॉट शी इज इन द मतलब डॉक्टर के पास आ गई है. सो शी गॉट स्कैर्ड एंड शी डिडंट लीव अस. लाइक वो चिपक गई साथ में मेरे साथ, फिर अभिनव के साथ. बहुत कोशिश करी, उसको कैंडीज दी, उसको बहुत लालच दी है बट कुछ नहीं हुआ. शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड कुछ नहीं. हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं. शाइना, why did you start crying? You told me you will get your hair cut, right? Then what happened? Okay guys, तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. हमने ये सोचा है कि शायद मैं घर जाके उसे खुद काट दूं या फिर we'll see उसके और लंबे हो जाए, थोड़ी और बड़ी हो जाए तो काटेंगे. we'll see. But
मास्क फट जाए ना सब.
Yeah, like अपन पूरा कवर और इतने प्रिकॉशंस लिए हुए थे तो उसको लगा कि वो डॉक्टर के पास आ गई है तो वो उससे डर गई बहुत ज़्यादा सबको देख के मास्क में, और वो वैसे कपड़े उन्होंने पहने हुए थे. सो शी डिडंट लीव अस, शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड उसे बहुत हमने करवाया बट ना कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो अल्टीमेटली हमारा पोपट हुआ है आज और हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो या दैट वाज द अपडेट वी वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू. ओके, सो इट वाज फन. सो शाइना, डिड यू एंजॉय? Did you enjoy crying? She's still angry. Okay, bye. Shaina, what did you shop now? What did you shop?
What did you buy?
हमें सब जाके बाहर शॉपिंग सिर्फ शाइना की होती है. शाइना हर चीज़ उठा के लाती है. She didn't कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ती है ना. मम्मा डैडी ने कुछ भी शॉपिंग नहीं करी, सिर्फ शाइना की. कितना विंडी आज का, कितना हमारी तो होती नहीं है. So windy. Guys, so today is a grocery day. Yes, Shaina is there doing shopping with us. So yeah, shopping करने आए हैं, grocery कर रहे हैं and
White rice.
Yeah.
White rice.
So
we need white rice.
No. Okay guys, so हम आपको मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद. Bye. Shaina. What? No, what, Shaina? What? Huh? What do you want? Shaina, what do you want? Shaina, what do you want? What?
What? What is that? क्या है वो? हाँ. Yeah?
हाय गाइस, सो आज मैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करने वाली हूँ. आज मैं अपने पैंट्री क्लॉजेट को सॉर्ट आउट करने वाली हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक मैंने बहुत सारी यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखी एंड आई लैंडेड ऑन वन यूट्यूब वीडियो विच इज़ द लेडी इज़ अलेक्जेंडर गेटर and she is amazing. Like, I shared her YouTube channel on my Instagram as well. And she makes YouTube videos under serious budget. So she renovates, like not renovates, but do makeover of like kitchen, closet, pantry, wardrobes, and like bathrooms, living room, and all sort of things. So I took some ideas from her channel and I thought, why not I'll make over my pantry closet, which is a mess right now. I'll show you guys in a while. But then I didn't buy a lot of expensive stuff. It's all from Dollarama, Walmart, and it's very cheap. So let me just do something now, and you can come with me as a time lapse, and I'll show you how I did. And let's see wo turn out kaisa hota hai. And let me tell you guys, it's 12:30 in the night. Everybody is sleeping, but I thought, why not I'll use this time because sab shanti hai, nobody is there, Shaina is sleeping, so like I can use this time to do something productive. And this is my me time, so I can just chill and relax and do something nice. So yeah, let's do something nice, and you guys come with me and let's have some fun. Okay, so come. I'll show you how it looks now. So if you see, it's a mess right now. These are like our eatable stuff. These are like baskets, and like upstairs it's like storage. So this is a mess right now. But let me do something nice and I'll take you guys along with me and let's see how it turns out to be. Okay guys, so first step I'm doing here is that I'm taking everything out so that you know कि आपके पास क्या क्या सामान है and क्या क्या आपको sort out करना है, and also check expiry. So sometimes there's so many stuff inside but you don't know कि क्या आपके पास पड़ा है and you don't know whether it has expired or not. So this is the best opportunity to take out stuff and see क्या है and क्या नहीं. So that's what I'm doing here. I have taken out everything here, sort them out in front of me so that I know कि मुझे क्या संभालना है क्या नहीं. At the back, if you can see, the things like shelves are getting empty slowly and slowly. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then we'll sort it out and put stuffs in their different places. And I have bought few stuffs from Dollarama and I'll show you कि मैं क्या लाई हूँ and how I do stuff. So guys, keep watching and please ignore my sleepy face because it's 12:30 in the night and I'm wearing my nightwear and I'm just enjoying doing this stuff. Guys, do you know who joined me? This girl, she came down, she didn't sleep and she came to help me. And she's still here helping me. Yeah, toy. And guys, you know, we managed to sort out a lot and it looks so good now. So I want to show you something nice that I found. So this is like tea. There are different kinds of options available, like tea, salt, sugar, and I think I have to buy more of these, like for sugar and salt as well. So this is the one that I'm using for putting tea here, and these are the labels that I got from Dollarama. So you can use these labels to mark any of your stuff that you would like to. So these are nice options. Like I use these ones for my sugar as well, so you can use the labeled ones that you find. This look really nice. And one more thing that I wanted to mention is that always prefer to use glassware instead of plasticware for storing your things, because glass is safe for storing things instead of using plastic ones. So I have discarded all my plastic wares and I'm using all the glass. These are very cute baskets which are aluminium but looks really nice. So I put all the popcorn here, coffee here, and then I use these labels that you get from Dollarama for marking it. And then these are also the ones that I got, and I put like croutons, chips, pasta here. So I'll be labeling them to know what is there where, and these are like extra things like the popcorn, protein bars, biscuits, and like the medicines. Not the medicines, like the daily normal use thing. And then I had these things here where I put all the extra things, and I marked it here using labels like what all is there, so the people know what is where. And then I used all the cereals ones, and my Cheerios and cereals are here. And here are all the extra things. These are like extra dals and all that stuff in those baskets. So these are transparent, and I can use, like, you can use more of these ones and these ones. So these will look nice, and there are plenty of other options that you can find in the market. But right now for me it looks fine, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And this little girl is still here helping me. She didn't sleep. So guys, I have to go make her sleep, and we'll catch you guys later. So bye.